I'm waking up like how the hell can I get better today? I gave myself that confirmation, boy, you already great. I'm undefeated, I feel the genius inside me, you lie.
What's up, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Woo! Yeah, we finally got one. If you own this Astro C40 tournament ready controller, there's a new firmware update. Let's find out what's new. So if you're new here, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Let's get
so what's good, you guys? So if you haven't already noticed or checked, but your Astro C40 tournament ready controller does have an update. I updated mine yesterday. I've been searching the web to find out what is new and can't find that. So I don't know what was new on this update, but if you want to check how to update your controller, what you do is you plug in your controller, make sure it's switched to its wired mode, plug it into your computer, whether it's Mac or PC. Come right here, check for update. So software update, you know, it says up to date controller firmware update. You should be on 0.78.0 firmware update, and once you update your controller, you'll be good to go. But make sure you go update your wireless router to adapter, this right here. Make sure you plug that in next, because that does need an update also. But I have been searching the web trying to find out if Astro was gonna put out any new notes, patch note, what was new in this controller firmware update. But we're gonna try to find out together. So let's jump over here and let's see what we can find out. I don't know if they put the notification sound for a battery indicator or any noise or anything. Supposedly some people are saying that it beep when your battery's getting ready to low down, but I don't know, because I never let my controller die. But anyway, let's jump over to this next part. Just before I jump over there, I just wanted to show you guys, here's my profile settings. So it's set to profile 1. This is me. Profile 2, I still never made up nothing yet. So what you want to do is you click on view profile, you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have asked me how did I make my triggers all the way up and my sticks. So I'm gonna show you my sticks right now. It says that my sticks have some, what's it call it, but you can easily reset that. All you gotta do is just, that's easy. So not gonna really worry about that. But this is my sticks is regular, still stands set to standard. So how do I get my trigger sensitivity to be active at 100, like soon as you be able to click it? So on the back of your controller, which I will show you in a minute, you're gonna lock the trigger sensitivity in. They're normally down here, you know, like a regular line. So what I did was to get it up to 100 was I raised it to 100, and then I raised that one to 100. So basically you got to work because that gives you full 100 accuracy, you know, trigger sensitivity left and right. You know, the minute you tap it, it's at 100. Same. Only thing I did was bring the side tone down because it was kind of loud, and I just left the speaker volume on the controller. The effects to keep my battery, why my batteries never probably died or anything. I take the LED brightness. You can raise this bar up to 130. That's probably why mine's never did that. But other than that, let's jump over here and I'll show you back in my controller what I was talking about. Let's get. So here we go. I know you guys see my character and everything. Yes, that is my name, and yes, I am level 300. But just before we get started to that, let me show you the controller. So here's the controller. This is what I was talking about when I was talking about the trigger sensitivities. Parallel, don't play offset. Play what is comfortable to you, but let me show you the back of the controller. So see these trigger stops? These are trigger stops. You push them down, you get, you know, it goes all the way down, all the way up, and bam, see? That's how you get that full 100% accuracy and everything else. But not pixel. But get into a little creative. I've been searching the web and everything else, trying to figure out what is new with this firmware update on the controller. And since Astro ain't gave us no notes or nothing, I don't know what to tell you what is new. But you do know control freaks do work. You can play with on both. Let's try to find out what's new a little bit. Let's see, you know, quick actions. Okay, so this is what I was saying. So just before I start that, get into Fortnite. Yes, control freaks. This video is not sponsored at all, but the control freaks do work. The stump sticks, as you can see. What I was talking about more my trick. So see my triggers. If you bring them down, that gives you, you know, full access. But who wants to do all that? Because it takes. So what you do is you move them up after you make them to 100%, and that's you know, get that quick action, as you can see right there. And this is on PS4, but yes, this Astro C40 controller does work on MacBook and PC. I downloaded my software on a Mac. Ever since they came out the update, I don't know what's new. I've been searching non-stop, and I still can't figure out. So well, we're gonna be putting this controller to the test, see what's new. Maybe we did get that battery indicator that everybody was wanting to know. I'm just doing a little free build, you know. This is kind of hard because I'm looking at it through the phone. Maybe we did get that little battery indicator. Supposedly we supposedly got controller is about to die. It starts beeping in your headphone, I guess. Oh, this is on PS4. I can show you that the controller also works Mac also, just in case if you own a Mac or it works on PC because it's made for PC and PlayStation 4. But I can show you if it works on Mac. Let's go over there and show you that. But I've still been searching. I'm still gonna keep you guys updated what is new and whatever I find out on this controller. So, you know, any questions you want to find, you got, just leave a comment down in the comment section for me. I will do my best to answer answer every single question that I can. Try to find, you know, the right answers to help you guys out. But let's switch over to the Mac so I can show you that this works actually also on the MacBook too. Oh yeah, just letting you know, you can turn off the PlayStation with this controller. So you can, that's new, you know, everything's quick and everything else, you know. Could jump over there to some Apex, but you can, you know, you can turn off the PlayStation. Turn off PlayStation. You can do that. But let's check what's one thing on. See, do we finally got the update where we can power on the PlayStation from the controller? We're gonna try it. Let the controller finally fully turn off. Give it a couple more seconds. You know, there it is. Controller finally turned off. PlayStation is off. All right, bet. Let's find out. Can we power on the PlayStation? Well, we sure ain't gonna get that feature. So Astro will do their work. We're not gonna get that feature where you can power on the PlayStation. See, that's not gonna work. But let's switch over here to the Mac. I am on the MacBook. As you can see, this is the MacBook. Using the controller, it does still work. This is the MacBook, so this controller does work on Mac. I don't want to see that right now. See, but look, you hear the clicks. So this controller does work on Mac. Yes, it works on PC. I just wanted to show y'all that and let you know that it works. Yes, I am level 309. If you want to add me, might be accepted, who knows. I do play on NA West. This is the only game I have on here. I will download Apex Legends to test it on there. But this, you can see, this is the MacBook. Yo, so that being said, the Astro C40 tournament ready controller does work on Mac, PC, and PS4. I do be gaming on the MacBook time, so you know, you want to catch me in the PC lobby. You can game on the Mac, you know, if you want to root it to Windows. Mine's not rooted to Windows. I'm running all MacOS, so you can game on the Mac, get your gaming experience, and it's not gonna be like PC build, like unless you got a strong, powerful MacBook like I do, it still won't be a PC build. You know, won't be no powerful stuff like that. But you can game on it. You know, it's viable. Nice to get you a nice cool, especially if you got good internet like me. Get you a cool 120, 144 frames per second. All depends. Sometimes it drops down to 60, but I do it at times. But yeah, the controller, I've been searching internet, can't find nothing, no patch notes, no what was new with this controller update. Astro, I even contacted Astro myself. I sent them a tweet and they didn't respond back to me, but hey, don't worry, I'm still gonna keep searching for you guys. So if you got any questions about the Astro C40 tournament ready controller, leave a comment down in the comment down below. Ask your question. I respond to all comments. I am here to help. But yes, there was a you can't do. You still can't power on the PlayStation, so don't think that's gonna work. I doubt we got a battery indicator, so that probably didn't come. But supposedly we got a notification sound that when your controller is supposed to die, it's gonna beep. I wouldn't know because I never had, ever since I bought mine, I never let the controller die. I wouldn't be able to tell you that. I hope you did enjoy this video. Leave a comment down below. If you got any other questions, I do my best to find out the answer for you. If I can't find you the answer, I will let you know, but I will still try my best to find the answer for you. But other than that, I hope you did enjoy this video. Like this video, subscribe if you're new. We're on our way to 600 subscribers. Woo! Almost 600. Let's get it, dog. But other than that, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. Thanks for watching this video. Any more stuff you want me to try out with the Astro C40 tournament ready controller, just let me know and I'll be gladly to do that video for you. But other than that, it's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. God bless everybody, and I'm signing out of here. Peace.